the creator of this channel. Welcome! With me you can find cosmetic and cold process soap recipes and candle making process. Today I'm making a protective and nourishing body milk recipe for the summer based on mango, apricot and sweet almond. I already have put in a bowl water, emulsifier, mango butter, sweet almond oil and mica, ready to go to the bain-marie. Once my preparation is melted, I'm gonna to mix it and let cool a little bit before adding apricot kernel oil and fragrance oil. I mix again and add preservative when my mixture is almost cold. I'll mix one last time, then pour into my bottle. The combination of heart of cream and xanthan gum gives a light and fresh jelly that penetrates quickly and leaves the skin velvety and plumped. I choose to use butter, mango, and 2 oil, apricot and sweet almond with similar properties. They are soothing, revitalising, restorative, toning, and softening. Rich in antioxidants, they are known to protect the skin from the appearance of signs of skin aging and soothe sunburn while providing a healthy glow effect. I liked you with the video. You can find my recipe and links in the description box. If you want to see similar recipe, you can find what you're looking for in my previous videos. I hope you enjoyed this one. You can find me here on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok if you have any question for me. Have a great day. See you soon. Bye.